There are 40 students in a class. Each student walks to school or cycles to school or gets the bus to school. There are 22 girls in the class. 9 of the girls walk to school, 7 of the boys cycle to school, 6 of the 10 students who get the bus to school are boys. Find the number of these students who walk to school. Okay, so a lot of information. Whenever you get this sort of situation where you have got maybe 2 or 3 types of something, and then you've got girls and boys, or maybe adults and children, usually this is a two-way table problem, okay? But sometimes, if you're lucky in an exam, they will have drawn the table for you and you've just got to fill it in. But if it's a later question, such as this, it's quite late on in the paper, they are expecting you to draw the table yourself. Okay, so I'm just going to, it doesn't have to be a work of art, I'm just going to draw a basic table. And I'm going to have girls, boys, and I'm going to have walk. You don't even have to write these out, you can just put W, cycle, and bus. And you also need a total column as well. Should have given myself a little bit more room, or extended my table a little bit better, but you know, it doesn't matter. Okay, right, so let's now have a look at what we've got information for. There are 40 students in the class, so I'm going to put 40 here. There are 22 girls in the class, therefore the total of girls is 22. So, done that bit, and I've done this bit. 9 of the girls walk to school, so I can pop 9 in here. Done that one. 7 of the boys cycle to school. 7 of the boys cycle to school. 6 of the 10 students who get the bus to school are boys. Okay, so they've given us a bit of information there. They've given us that 10 students get the bus. So if 10 students get the bus, I can put 10 in the total for bus. And then I'm told that 6 of them are boys. So 6 of those 10 pupils who get the bus are boys, as it's just told me on this line here. Okay, so that's all the information given to me from the question. I'm now going to change colour and try and fill in the rest. So probably the easiest one to start with is the fact that this is going to be 4. So 4 girls get the bus. Why? Because 10 take away 6 is 4. Now I can figure out this one, because if I add together 4 and 9, I get 13. And if I subtract it from that, I get 9. I hope you followed that. I added that and subtracted it from that to leave me with this. What else can I figure out now? Oh, I can figure out the number of boys, because I know that there are a total of 40 and I know there's 22 girls, which means there are 18 boys. And now that I know that there are 18 boys, I can figure out the number of boys who walk, because this plus this is 13, which means this must be 5, because that and that make 13, and 18 take away 13 is 5. And now I can simply add down here. So 9 plus 5 is 14, so 14 students walk. And if I add these two together, 9 and 7, I get 16. Oh, my pen's gone funny there. 16. And if we add, let's check. Does this, and this make this? Well, 14 and 16 make 30, plus 10 is 40, so brilliant. Now, what's the question actually asking me? It says find the number of these students who walk to school. So walking to school is simply this number here. 14 students walk to school. So very well done if you followed that.